Hi, welcome to Jacqueline McQueen's YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, tell everybody. Today I'm not going to try it. I've done this before. These are catfish fillets, but I'm going to do it a little bit different. As you can see, I'm cutting them up. And what I'm going to do is add it to some seasoning that I already mixed up of cilantro, onion, garlic, red and green peppers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to blend this up. And after I blend this up, I'm going to make some catfish patties. I already have my seafood fry mixed together with some good old-fashioned cornmeal. You'll remember before these modern ways of putting a coating on the fish, our mama used to use cornmeal, and it was so good. So what I'm going to do now is place catfish fillet. Woo! I keep trying to lose it. Woo! But I got it. I got it. Okay? Now I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Start mixing. Woo! Looks good. I got two more pieces to stick back in there. Then I'm gonna start making my patties. This is what the finished product looks like. It's all nice and chopped up. Again, this is catfish fillet, onions, garlic, cilantro, red and green pepper, all put in this mini chopper. It looks a lot like mashed potatoes. I'm going to add a little bit of seasoning because I just have the natural ingredients in there. I don't have any seasoning. I'm going to add some onion, garlic, and pepper, and a little bit of adobo. Mix all the seasonings in there. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is get the top of that seasoning in there. And as a tip, what you do, buy fresh garlic, peel it, and then put it in the chopper and make your own garlic paste and add a little bit of olive oil and put it in. These are the containers that I was talking about. These are the Gerber baby food jars. I don't throw these away. When I blend up all of my seasonings, my garlic, my parsley, cilantro, sometimes I do the peppers, and I add some olive oil. And I bought these too. You can find these containers anywhere to help save time and also to help save money. The cornmeal. My fire is already on. It's nice and hot. So I haven't decided what to eat with this. I don't have any grits. I thought about doing some French fries, but I don't know. I'll see. Okay, so, oops. Okay. You know you always gotta have one. You know, it's just like that big misbehaving child. You tell them all to go brush their teeth, and this one here just goes in the bathroom, turn the water on, and don't do nothing. But that's okay. Okay, these are not thin texture like mashed potatoes. It's a little lumpy, and that's a good thing. All right, and fry. Okay. We'll do 2 at a time. Because you know when you're frying, if you overcrowd the pan, it makes the temperature go down. So we don't want to do that. We want to give it time to cook. I'll turn them over and get ready for the other 2. I have a total of 6. Okay, turn over. Okay, my catfish cakes are done. I decided on doing some French fries. Put a little bit of lemon on here. If you want to add tartar sauce or cocktail sauce, it will be awesome either way. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you for stopping by Jacqueline McQueen's YouTube channel. Please like, share, subscribe, comment, and come back again. Bye-bye.